What's up guys, it's Jacob here, and if you're not hearing this, it's very windy. So if you like this video, please do hit that like button, and if you really like this video, subscribe. Okay, so right now I'm outside here. Oh, it's really wet outside. See, and really windy. So I have to put this on. I don't complain. Oh, lost that piece. Here's my rubber band gun. Stick gun. Okay, I'm gonna check. Bring it. Sit. Come on. Chin it.
Today, but my mom said it's okay.
Huh?
My mom said it's okay. My mom said it's okay to just shower. We'll have to shower then. Not even cold. I don't need to jacket.
Well, it is really cold outside.
No. It's like when I showered, when I just came outside, he's like, oh, it's cold. He was like, yeah, he said it's cold. But when I went outside, it wasn't.
Here, hold the camera. I'm doing a video.
Oh yeah, wanna see a potato?
Go.
Let's go see potato.
Hey, from the riverbed.
This is a potato that we planted and it growed. That's the onion that we planted. And here's the sweet potato.
Oh God.
And we made a furnace.
Which is really bad.
Yeah. We use a part for the top of the house.
So if you guys don't really hear this, it's really windy. But if the video really sucks, it's just because of the wind.
And this is in Saipan.
Yes. I'm going to Philippines on February 5th. That's when I'm gonna video everything I did on Philippines.
And he has no friends in Philippines, so he's gonna be boring there.
Pretty much. Ugh. And
we have more friends, which is their name is Henry and Stefan.
but they're not here right now.
Yeah. I don't really play it with them because they're too
Rough.
yeah, too rough and they always fight each other. So I don't like
shoot.
to play with them together.
Where's my rubber band? I've made it flew. Oh well. But yeah. So I'm just gonna be doing a regular video, which is really windy.
Are you gonna end it?
Yeah, I'm gonna end it.
Oh, so yeah. So if you guys like this
No,
video,
not yet. Well, it's just me and Kiwan walking around and talking. So Kiwan, if I'm in Philippines, I'm gonna video it all so you guys can see on YouTube. Just check out my channel, okay?
Okay.
Just a walk around. It's really nice outside, but only the rain.
It's like cooler than I thought.
Yeah, it's like snow, but then wind.
A long time ago, there was like a big typhoon here.
Yeah, like 2 years ago, 1 year ago, 2015 to be exact.
One rubber band.
Oh, okay.
Here. Yeah, yesterday we had a fun day. Well, I kind of hate that day because that day was kind of like hot.
Yeah,
And
not like today. It's very cold.
I really want to go to Korea because they have all the season. There's like summer, fall, yeah, spring and winter.
Even here, but not winter.
Yeah, it's only 3.
Winter. Oh wait,
It is spring, fall,
spring,
and
fall,
summer.
and summer, and Thanksgiving. Oh wait, that's just fall.
We made a fort here.
Yeah, but it sucks.
Yeah.
Just pretty much sucks. We're gonna extend it though.
Yeah.
But in a few days, I'm gonna be going off to
We
Philippines.
made walls over there too.
The thing right there, that's where they made the wall.
Yeah.
I used to put a string from that tree to that stump,
But
but then it broke because someone just chopped it off.
like Stefan or Henry,
Yeah.
they chopped it with a stick, like a sharp one. We cut off 3 branches from that tree.
This
there.
tree right here.
Yeah.
This
See
tree.
that big tree?
That tree.
We cut off the branches to make.
Oh shoot!
these
The
things.
video is not. It's not gonna be good because it can hear all the wind and sounds.
Who cares?
It's alright.
Who cares?
But I'm gonna end this video right here. So if you guys do enjoy this, please
Please
do
subscribe.
and
the
do
video.
leave a like. So bye.